Hello, and welcome to today's book reading class. This video tutorial is designed to encourage you to pick up a copy of this book and read it. Today, we'll look at the 5 FindOuters, another wonderful adventure mystery children's book series. The author is Enid Blyton. The 5 FindOuters and dog in their village of Peterswood, on Bourne End, near Marlow, Buckinghamshire, solve a mystery almost every school holiday. The 5 FindOuters are Fatty, Larry, Pip, Daisy, and Bets. Buster, Fatty's dog, is also present. They generally solve the case before Mr. Goon, the local village cop who, much to their displeasure, continually interferes with their investigations. Superintendent Jenks is a friend of the 5 FindOuters. The Mystery of Banshee Towers is the title of today's book. It was first released in 1961. It is the 15th and final book of the 5 FindOuters' 15-part mystery series. Banshee Towers is home to a wailing banshee. During a school vacation, the FindOuters are informed by their parents that they should spend their time exploring sites in the nearby countryside rather than looking for riddles in the hamlet. The kids intend to go to Banshee Towers, an old stately home with famous marine paintings that Ern and Bets like. The FindOuters are intrigued by reports that Banshee Towers on Banshee Hill is home to a wailing banshee. The towers are said to be haunted, with tourists being scared away by wailing noises. So the FindOuters, along with Ern, Mr. Goon's nephew, go look over Banshee Towers, which Fatty says looks more like a fortress. Once within the towers, the FindOuters are curious at the artists who are duplicating the paintings on the walls. "We're all from the School of Art," one of them said. Then Ern, who is fascinated by marine photos, makes a find, and this intriguing hint leads the FindOuters to yet another riddle to solve. Ern notices that a small boat he adored on the painting is missing on a subsequent visit. The children unknowingly put themselves in danger by pointing this up to the owner. Who has stolen the painting? Who put up a fake painting in its place? How was the painting stolen? How did the FindOuters solve this mystery? To find the answers, you have to read this fantastic book, and assist the 5 Get-Outers in solving this mystery. Your responses can be written in the comments section. BookLuv recommends you to read this book. This video tutorial is intended to motivate you to get a copy of the book and read it. Do you want to discover more about the other fantastic adventures of the 5 FindOuters? You can click the playlist for FindOuters series button on your screen and watch the video of their other adventures. Goodbye, and happy reading!